99% of people use AI to buy lottery tickets in the wrong way. Many people now let AI calculate lottery numbers, but most people ask questions directly, such as, the winning numbers of the last Powerball were 28, 48, 51, 61, 69, help me predict the winning numbers for the next issue, or some smart players will give AI the winning numbers from the previous few issues, or even dozens of issues earlier, and then let AI help you predict. Here, I can tell you responsibly that the above methods are all wrong. First of all, the way they ask questions is wrong. Regarding your desire to use AI to calculate lottery tickets and buy stocks, those genius AI designers have already thought of it. So whenever you ask AI questions about lottery tickets and stocks, these AI tools appear to answer you seriously, but they are actually made up. Don't ask me why I know. The following will tell you how to ask questions correctly and how to train AI tools correctly to help you build a large lottery prediction model. I use Grok here to demonstrate the lottery algorithm of Powerball. Of course, you can also use AI tools such as DeepSeek and ChatGPT, but based on my tens of thousands of experiments, I think Grok is better at processing mathematics and numbers. First, I sent this document I made to Grok. This document contains the winning numbers, total numbers, odd and even ratios, and AC values of the Powerball lottery for the last 20 draws. Then I said to Grok, this document contains a complex math game. Each draw will produce 5 number combinations, which are randomly generated between 1 and 69. What rules have you analyzed from them? Then he analyzed the data rules for us. Finally, I asked Grok to build a prediction model for me through several rounds of effective questions so that he can help us predict the winning numbers for the next draw. But don't be naive to think that you can hit it in one try, which is absolutely impossible. Using this method can help you bypass AI's detection of the sensitive term lottery and help you constrain the numbers within a regular range, thereby greatly increasing the probability of hitting the target. Many friends may ask, why only let him predict the numbers of 5 white balls? What about red balls? Here I want to add that the core of this method is not to let AI think that you are calculating lottery tickets, because this is not allowed by AI designers. Once he thinks that you are calculating lottery tickets, the answer he gives you is wrong. I have tried this many times, so I will talk about the prediction of red balls later. Let's understand these 5 white balls first. As for how to continue training and asking questions in the next step, just watch my next tutorial.